What's up YouTube? Zach back here for another video. Today I'm working on the Silverado. So the issue I'm having is when I go to turn my heat or air or anything on, none of this works. It'll work on high. You can hear it's blowing out now, but 4, 3, 2, 1, none of that works. Everything else works fine. It's just that. So I got on some forums and I figured out these blower motor resistors go bad, and that'll cause that. The ones that I saw, they still worked on 4 and 5, but mine only works on 5. So I'm gonna replace this and see if that'll handle it, and I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so where we're gonna be doing this job is it's right in here. There are a couple 7mm bolts up in here. There's one here, there's one back there somewhere, and there's one up there. The videos that I've seen, you can get away with just taking those 3 off. So I'm gonna try to do that first without having to maybe take that one off up there, because there's 4 in total, I believe. And that one up there, I think I can get away with not taking off. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take these off and see what's up underneath. So just taking off those 3 gave me enough to just pop this down. And this is what we're replacing right here. So what I want to do is probably go ahead and unplug this connector. It's just a little clip and it pulls out. All right, so I got this connector off. This one I have to find. I think it's somewhere back here. Just reach for it. Yep, this little clip back here. Okay, so after looking at it for a bit, it's up back in here, and you'll just push in on it, and you just push back here. It'll take a little bit of muscle, but you just push that in and it'll just pop right out. And then all this is ready to come out. It is 1, 2, 7 30-second socket. So you just done. I'll zip this off and come back to it. All right, here's the old one that came out. It doesn't look bad. So most of the other ones that I've seen, they look really rough and burnt. So I'm hoping this is still my issue, but I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's pop the new one in. All right, guys. Well, I got it all just kind of put in there. They sent me the wrong one, but the plugs are all the same, so I might just try to snug it up in there and do that, but let's try it. All right, there's one, and I can feel it. It's coming out. 2, 3, 4. Well, I think that was it. All right, and while mine did work, I'm just gonna show you. You see how that hole, it's supposed to go in right here. It's got that, and then that there, and it's kind of like at an angle. So when I tighten that up, there's a gap there. I don't know how much issues that's gonna cause, but it fixed my problem. So at least mine's a 2003 Silverado 1500. If you're gonna get one, make sure the holes are like this. At least in my case, I don't know how much different those are, but it fixed my issue. So I'm gonna run it like that, and if it doesn't give me any problems, great. If it does, I guess I'll swap it out, maybe try to get the right one. But for now, I'm gonna let that sit. Well guys, before I end this video, I actually looked at the blower motor resistor again, and I don't know how I missed this, but if you look at it, here's the resistor. I was kind of examining this part because this is the part that's always broken and burned and looks gross. What I didn't notice was that. So what I'm assuming happened is, I don't know, it don't look like it melted. I think maybe a mouse got in it, and they probably touched each other and arced off and probably just blew this whole thing. So that's why mine doesn't work. I figured I'd just show you guys that, because I figured that out after looking at it for a minute. Like I said, it works for what I'm doing for it right now. If it gives me problems, I'll probably update you guys, let you guys know, but right now it works and I'm happy with it. So that's it for today's video. Really short video. Had that issue for a minute, ever since I got the truck really, but it's starting to get colder outside, so figure might want to be able to adjust it, because right now it's either full blown and you're sweating or not at all and you're cold. So I figured I'd replace it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try to post more, just don't have a lot of time, but more videos are coming. I'm gonna try to start posting more on my Instagram, so go follow me at ZPTV. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.